Hello, I'm Jordan from TrouDigital. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple way to run consistent, useful content using screens on a manufacturing shop floor. What you're seeing here is an example of a shop floor screen. It's showing Power BI information, health and safety content, and general communications, so the production data is visible where the work actually happens and not just stuck in dashboards. First, I'm going to add a Power BI dashboard. From the studio, I select Create, start fresh with a blank page, and bring in a dashboard widget, choosing Power BI as the data source. I can then sign in using a Microsoft account that already has access to the dashboards we want to show. And once signed in, I can choose the specific dashboard or report. This could be a plant overview, a single production line, or any view you already use in Power BI. Next, I set how this will behave on the screen. We can select playback mode, for example, which will scroll through multiple page reports automatically. And I can choose how often the dashboard refreshes. In this case, I'll set it to refresh every 15 minutes with a minimum time of 1 minute. I then save the creative, and from that point on, the content stays in sync automatically. As the Power BI dashboard updates, the screen updates with it. There's no need to re-upload or manually change anything in the Signage platform. The same approach works for Tableau as well, using secure embeds and filters so that each screen only shows the data it's meant to. Live data is usually most effective when it sits alongside supporting content. In the studio, I can open the Media Center to upload posters, safety notices, or operational updates so that they play alongside the Power BI dashboard. These might be PPE reminders, quality alerts, or shift messages. If needed, I can also create the content directly in the studio. For example, a quick text notice or a branded message without relying on external design tools. This lets you combine real-time data with the context people need on the shop floor. Once the content is ready, I can add them to playlists. Here I can control how long each item appears and in what order. I can also schedule content to target specific shifts or days, so that the right information appears at the right time of day. For time-sensitive items like safety alerts or temporary notices, I can set an expiry so the content automatically removes itself from the screen. That way, nothing stays up longer than it should, and your content is always up to date. Putting it all together, this is what the content loop looks like on the screen. Live production data from Power BI is supported by clear operational messages, all scheduled around your shift patterns. If you'd like to discuss how this could work for your site or your production lines, get in contact and we can look at it in more detail.